All right, so let's start. Okay, I will give you some notes first. So this one, you studied already, right? So today we will do this index number. So I'll write down Tajo index number. Okay, how many formula we have? How many formula? So we have the first
Three.
formula, I equals to P1 over P.
P1,
Yes,
P0,
yes, betul. I P1 P0 times 100. What's I?
Index, price index.
Yeah,
index,
yes, price index. Okay, and then the P stands for what?
Price.
Price
Cost.
ataupun
Cost.
cost. Or we can use RM lah. We use RM uh to when there's RM, then it's definitely price. Okay, then we use P to represent. And always remember the newer year letak atas, the older year letak bawah. Next formula, composite index. The composite index symbol, we will use I dash.
I
That
dash.
I dash. And the formula will be sum of IW over sum of W, right? So what's composite index? Composite index is like the average lah, the average for everyone. Okay. So later when you read the question and the question never mention like single, 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 like the question never mention anything means you have to take the average. All right. So the I here is the price index, and the W here is for the weightage. Okay. And weightage usually they will give you in ratio. Sometimes they will give you in percentage, right? Sometimes even pie chart, okay, and then sometimes even like bar chart, right? So when you see these things, it's weightage, okay. The final one is when involve 3 years, then we have to use a specific formula to do it, which is you will draw a smiley
Smiley face.
face, right? Then you put the year 1 here, year 2 here, year 3 here. Remember the oldest year always put, and then from oldest to the newest year lah. And then this I will call it like A, the B and the C. And the formula will be like this. C equals to A times B divide 100. Always take the left eye, darab the right eye over 100. Get you the left eye, darab the right eye, divide 100 will give you the mouth part. Boleh semua?
Boleh.
Boleh ah. Okay. Now I will go to the soalan lah, right? So let's go to soalan. You can see clearly. I zoom skip. All right. So this is the same question in your book. All right. So let's bincang. So I asked you to do at home already. So I think you do already. So I'll just go fast. We are just discussing the jawapan. All right. And later after I finish talking, I will give you some time for you to salin lah. All right. So let's see this question number 4. 1, 2, 3 we did already. So I'll do number 4. Okay. The table shows the price indices. That's the I. Okay. For 3 types of utilities in the year 2018 based on 2016. Okay. The pie chart. Can you tell me what's pie chart?
Weightage.
The weightage, yes, represents the division of the utility used by a factory. So let's see, utility ada jenis apa? Water, electricity, internet, and phone service. And then this they say is a price index. So I should label it. I will write. Let's say I write here lah. So the I for 18 based on 16, right? Means 18 atas, 16 bawah. Okay. And then what is this pie chart? This is the weightage. So what I will do is I will tambah satu column for weightage. You want to tambah here also can lah, but the space here lebih kecil, so I tambah here. So what's the weightage for water? It's 150 degrees, so 150. Electricity 130, and then internet phone service 80. And what's the total? Mesti 360 because it's like, how to say, one circle ma. So if you take 150 plus 130 plus 80, you get 360. Okay, now we can go to A. So A, let's read the question. If the factory spends 40,000 per month on water, read the question. Water means I need to use this,
Water.
right? In the year 2016, find the corresponding expenditure on water in the year 2018. So I will have to write, this one is for water, okay? Means I won't take the average, okay? I will take just water lah, okay? All right. So if the factory spends 40,000 in the year 2016, means the 40,000 is what?
2016's cost.
Yeah, the
P.
price in 2016. So I will use like this to write it. Okay, the price in 2016. Write the symbol and write the year correctly also. Find the corresponding expenditure in year 2018. Expenditure means like expenses, means you are finding the price also, but is in 2018. So I
2018.
will put a question mark here, lah, means I want to find it. So how to find it? Okay, when the question involve P, mesti guna which formula? Confirm use
The
which formula?
I
Yeah, the first
I
formula, right?
equals to,
What's the first
yeah,
formula?
first
I equals to P1 over P0
1 to
times
P
100. So
100.
I even like letak in a box for you. So confirm use this formula. And when we use this formula, we have to gantikan the I, gantikan the P1, gantikan the P0. Then I get the answer already. So let's gantikan the P1. What do you think I will ganti for P1? The price in 2018, because that's the newer year, right? So I'll write price 2018. What I will ganti in P0? The price in
40,000.
2016, which is 40,000. Kalau terbalik betul ke? Salah lah. If you terbalik, this one salah already. Remember,
Hmm.
always newer year letak atas. Okay?
Atas.
Okay, for the I nak ganti apa? Okay, this is for water. Alright?
110.
So the I ganti, it should be 18 over 60 also, right? Do you agree? Because the price I masuk is for
Yeah.
18 atas 16 bawah. So the I masuk for 18 atas. The I masuk also have to be 18 atas 16 bawah, which is same as this one I label here. So I can use 110. Okay? I cannot use 115130. Please read the question. We are talking about water. What if the soalan never mentioned any of this? Can you tell me what I have to take?
The whole composite. The
Yeah,
composite index.
the composite index, okay, the average. If the question never mentioned any of
Hmm.
these, means you take the average, all right? But this one they got mentioned water. Okay, so let's calculate it. So I will calculate price in 2018. So how will I calculate? First I will pindah the 100 jadi bahagi, all right? So
Yeah.
110
1.1.
divide 100. So I will tekan 110 divide 100 times 40,000. So I will get 44
000.
000. Okay, so RM 44,000. So that's the answer. Okay, I'll go faster lah. Okay, I think I'm going way too slow already. Okay, so I will speed up. Okay, I'm being too slow already because this one is supposed to tahu sudah already because I teach last class. Okay, I'll go faster. Calculate composite index. Composite index is the I dash. Okay, so I definitely use the what sum of
Sum, sum,
IW over sum of W
sum
formula. So I
W.
will use this formula. So I'll put in a kotak like that. All right. And then for the utility expenses in the year 2018 based on 2016. So I'm finding the I dash for 18 over 16. So isn't it I just draw a garisan panjang and then atas buat apa? Take the I,
Index
darab the
times
W. Okay, if the I dash I'm finding is for 18 over 16, means the I here I have to use for what year? Also 18
18 over
over 16.
60.
But let's say this one is 2021 over 2020. Then the I use also have to be 2021 and over 2020. Means the year has
Yeah.
to match. So I'm finding 18 over 16 punya I dash means the I use for the formula will be this. Okay, the 18 over
Yeah.
16, which is 110 times
150.
150 plus 115 times
115
the weightage.
times. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. And the last one,
130 times 80.
yep.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
over the total weightage. Total weightage is just
300.
the sum of 360. Okay, atas semua tambah dapat berapa?
I straight do the calculate.
Straight to, okay. Apa? Okay, let's tekan 110 times 150 times plus 115 times 130 plus 1. Okay, 41850. Okay. And then what's answer divide 360? Let's tekan
116.25.
0.25. Yep. All right. So that is the answer for B. All right. So very easy. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. Silap tekan. Okay. So I think I can scroll down and now I can do C bawah here. Right. Okay. So let's read the C soalan together. The utility expenses spent by the factory is 120,000. So what is 120,000? That is the what
Expenses.
symbol will I use? That's the expenses. Means I will use the P because it's RM, right? So P in the year 2016. So I'll write the year. So be more specific. Write the symbol and write the year also. And then comma. Calculate the corresponding utility expenses in the year 2018. So I'll write price in 2018. Betul? Equals to question
Yeah.
mark. So which formula will I use?
The I.
Yeah. What's the formula?
The
P1
first one.
over P0
P1
times
over P0 times 100.
100. Definitely use this formula because when involve price, confirm one. All right. So just gantikan the I, gantikan the P1, gantikan the P0. So P1 usually you will ganti the newer year. So what you will ganti? Price in what
PK
year?
28.
2018. And then the P0 you will definitely ganti price in 2016, and they gave you 120,000. But the
1000.
problem is the I have to ganti what? This is when students sangkut, right? Because student they will simply masuk, So don't masuk the wrong one. So which one I have to masuk?
116.25.
Okay. Just now for the P1 atas, I masuk price 2018. And then for P0, I masuk 2016. Means the I must also have to be 18 over
18 over
16.
16.
But I cannot choose any of these. I cannot choose any of these, even though they are 18 over 16. Because when you read the question, the soalan never mentioned water, it never mentioned electricity, it never mentioned internet and phone charges. They mention utility. If they mention
Yeah.
utility means what?
The
I have to take
whole
the
uh,
average. Yeah. Can you see
average.
utility? Means I have to take the average. And the average for 18 over 16 means I will have to take this one from B. Can you see it? The average 18, 16. So what is it? 116.25.
6.25.
Yeah. So, and then you can find the price in 2018. You just pin down only. So how you want to tekan this? 116.25 times 100 jadi divide.
Divide by 100.
Divide 120,000 jadi times, right? So what you get?
139500.
Yep.
RM.
So RM 1395 0 have to write
00.
RM lah because this is the price. So I write RM 1395
00.
00. Okay, let's continue with the last question. Okay, it's so ugly lah my handwriting. Itu budak sudah
You
masuk
writing
ah?
with your mouse?
No lah, my pen. Like I have a pen tablet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kan lah guna mouse. Like guna mouse very hard to
Yeah.
write. So nice one. Okay.
Yeah.
But I use pen also very ugly my handwriting. Okay, D. The expenditure. Okay, automatically they talk about expenditure means the
Cost.
expenses. Yeah, cost on water does not change. The expenditure electricity increased 10%. Internet and phone service just increased 20% from the year 2018 to 2020. If they give you percentage like this, means you can write down the I for what year? 2020 based on 2018.
2018.
Means I will do a new column here. Means I will
Yeah.
how to say? Okay, I will maybe like panjangkan this line, panjangkan this line, panjangkan this line, join here, write the I for 2018. And for the 2018, what happens? Expenditure on water does not change from
100.
2018 to 2020. Means the water remain unchanged means 100. Okay.
100.
Some students they will write 110, because they thought unchanged means I have to copy from here, which is wrong. Okay. Remember, remain unchanged means 100. What about
100.
here? Can you teach me for electricity? Increase 10%.
Increased by 10%.
So
So 110.
110. That is the price index for 20 over 18 for electricity.
Mm.
And then for the internet phone service increased 20% from 2018 to 2020. Means the I for 20 over 18 for internet phone service is 100.
120.
Yeah.
120.
Yeah. And then they say calculate the composite index. Okay, composite index for the utility in the year 2020 based on 2016.
2016.
So what they want you to find? Composite index I dash for 2020 or 2016 means I'll write 20 over 16 equals to question mark.
16.
Yeah. So how I want to do it? How to do it? Okay, when you
You
read
need
the whole
to
question, how many year you see in one question? You see
3 years.
2018, you see 2018, you see 2016.
2016.
When you see 3 years in one question, you have to draw a
Smiley face.
yeah. So what you will do is you just draw a smiley face, okay? Draw a smiley face, draw a smiley face, draw a smiley face. And if you remember clearly, the oldest year here mentioned is 2016, okay? And then the middle will be 2018, and here will be 2020, right?
20.
Yeah. And remember the first baris they talk about the expenditure water does not change, did not increase 10%, increase 20%. That one is for 2018, 2020 punya. Means
Mm.
I can use this info to write at the 2018 atas sini. But I will not write 100, I will not write 110, I will not write 120. I will write the
Composite index.
average, the average or the composite index of all these three. Because I want to calculate the composite index for 2020 based on 2016. Means the number I put here and the here also have to be the composite index. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Because I'm finding the composite index, So of course I have to masuk composite index here also. Means I have to find the composite index for 20 over 18 first.
Over 18.
Yeah. And how to find it?
100
100
times with
times 150. Okay.
plus
That's why labeling is very
110
important.
times.
Okay. Labeling very important. Ayo, so small. Okay. Wait. Uh, let me write smaller here. I dash of 20 over 18 equals to, because I'm finding the mouth part, right? The mouth part
Hmm.
means the bawah. So if I want to find the bawah here, okay, I need to have this and this, right? But now I don't have. So I need to find first, so 20 over 18. So 100,
Times 150
yeah, thank you. And then plus dengan
plus 110
110
times
times
130.
130. And the last one,
120 times 80.
yeah, over the total weightage, 360, right?
360.
So when I tekan this, I'll get something over 360, and then I'll get something here. Okay. So let's tekan 100 times
3
150 110 plus 120 times. So 389.
900.
Yep, thank you. And then divide 360, 108.06.
108.06.
Yeah. Okay, it's like 0.55555. So you just write two
Ah,
there. Yeah. So the 108.06 boleh lah saya tulis dekat like this part.
1820.
Yeah, 1820 punya 108.06. Remember what I want to find? Composite index for
The 20
20
over 16
means I need to have the composite index for 2018 and
for
composite index for 1816 also. And actually we
ah
have 1816 punya composite index 116.25. Okay.
6.25.
If you remember, let's scroll up. See, composite index for 1816 is 116.25. I cannot take any of
6.25.
these for the same reason. I need to masuk the average. Alright? Boleh faham kan?
Hmm.
So how to
Yep.
find the composite index for 20 over 16? So you use the formula
Uh,
lah. This part
yeah.
would be what? Both the
C
left eye and the right eye times together,
time
right?
bahagi 100.
Yeah, so 108.06 bahagi 100,
100.
right? So let's tekan
125.61.
125.61.
61.
Yep. So that's the answer, right? Okay. I'll continue to the next question. Alright. So if you tak sempat salin, it's okay one, because I'll upload this on my YouTube. So you can go there and salin all you want, right? But since I don't want to drag the life for so long, because I use half an hour already for one question. So I will just stop here, okay? And then I'll go to the next question. It's okay if you don't have time to salin, but I will give you like few seconds lah to check your answers, alright? So you check your answers, boleh kan semua?
Yeah, all correct.
Boleh
All correct.
boleh alright. I'll continue It's okay one if you tak sempat,
Yep.
right? I'll upload this, so it doesn't matter. Okay, you can let's look at number 5 here. Okay, number 5. Right. The table shows the price and okay, price. That's the P. So this is the P. Price indices, this is the I. For 4 types of equipment, PQRS. So we have PQRS. The bar chart, okay, bar chart means they are trying to give you the weightage, right? So let's read P70, Q,
Q 110.
110, R,
80.
80S.
100.
So boleh tak I just like open a new column for weightage, and the weightage for P is 70,
70.
110, 80, and
80. 100.
100. And let's sum up the weightage. What do you get? Blah, 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 blah. Let's tekan 300, 360. Okay.
60.
Yeah. So that's the total weightage. Okay, and then they say what represents the number of units of electronic components sold in the year 2019. Right? So tak ada apa lah. This just give you the weightage already. So this is the table. Okay, let's label here also. This is the price in 2018. So I'll write what? P
P
18.
2018.
2018 lah, okay. P 2019, but I don't have enough space, so I just write 19 lah. But in exam, you can write the full thing lah, okay, 2019. What about the price index? This is the I, right? For what? 19 over
19 over 80.
18. And confirm nanti soalan mesti akan suruh awak cari X, Y, and Z. Okay, so let's see. Alright. So if you look at 5A, so can you see it? So 5A, find values of X, Y,
X, Y,
and
Z.
Z. So let's go back to the soalan. Alright, so they want to find what?
X, Y, and Z.
Okay, X, Y, Z, right? So I will write A, let's find x. So which formula will I use? I will use the first formula, right?
I. Oh,
Because involve price already, ma. So we use the first formula. So it will be I equals to P1 over P0 times 100.
100.
So I just gantikan the I, the P1, the P0, then I get the answer. So how to find this one? I will ganti 120. P1, I will ganti the newer year, which is 600.
600.
That's the price over X times
X 100.
100. Okay, times 100, pindah jadi divide 100. 120 divide 100 is
1.2.
1.2, right? 600 over X. Okay, this one
1.
what I can do?
You can just pindah.
Yeah, just tukar tempat. Tukar tempat, tukar tempat. So it will be
Mm.
600 over 1.2.
1.2.
So X equals to how much? 600 divided
500.
1.2, which is RM
500.
5.
Yeah. 500.
500 lah.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, betul. So please write RM lah because it's price. And
Yeah,
then
RM.
you can
Yeah.
update here, right? 500. Okay, next, how to find Y? So if I want to find Y,
Use
I'll
the
use the
same.
same formula. Ganti I, ganti P1, ganti P0, I get the answer, right? So I will ganti 130, and then equals P1, I will ganti Y, right? P0, I will ganti 1240 times 100. Boleh,
1240.
ya, boleh follow kan?
Yeah.
So Y over 1240 times 100 jadi divide 100, so it become 1.3. So Y equals to
3.
1.3 times 1. So I will tekan with you. 1.3 times 1240. Okay, RM 16.
1612.
Yep. So that's the price. Okay. Right, RM also because it's price. Okay, the last one Z.
Price.
Yeah. So last one Z. So I just ganti into this formula. So ganti I, ganti P1, ganti P0. I nak ganti apa?
Z.
P1 nak ganti apa? The price in the newer
1650.
year, the 2019 one lah. And then 2018 nak ganti 1500 times
1500.
100.
100.
Yeah. So I tekan this 1650 divide 1500 divide times 100. Right. I get 110.
110.
Same answer, 110.
Yeah.
All right. So that's all. I finished A already. Now let's look at B, what they want. So let's look at B here. So the B says what? Calculate the composite
Composite index of
index
the electronic equipment.
of electronic component in the year 2019 based on 2018. So we all know the composite index formula is
I dash.
sum of IW over sum of W. But they want to
W.
find the 2019 based on 2018. Remember, if I want to find composite index for 1918, means the I use also has to be 19 over
1918.
18. The year has to match one. Okay. So let's go back to the table and see whether it's like 19 over 18. So, all right, can you see it's like 1918? You can see it, right?
Mm.
So means I will find the composite index. Okay. But how I want to write, because it's like no, I don't have space already. I think I have to kecilkan and I write atas. Okay.
Oh.
Right, like this B. So I dash for what year? 19 over 18.
18.
So let's draw a garisan. Okay, it'll be the I times W. So 120 times with the W, what is it?
70.
70, right? Okay. 70 plus with the I
Plus
125 times with the, what is it? 110 plus
110.
with 130 times
0 times 80.
80 and plus the last one 110 times
10 times
100 over the total
100.
weightage 360.
360.
So you get like something over 360 and then final answer. So atas bilang berapa?
4. 43550.
435
50.
550. Yeah, you're right. So 43550. Get 360 and you get like 120.
120.97.
Yeah, so that's the answer for B. Yeah, quite easy, right? So
Yeah.
let's go to the
C.
C, because this is like the page is in the, it's like on the next page.
Middle.
That's why it's like so susah for me. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
so let's go to C. Okay, so C dia kata apa? Find the total sales, means price lah, the P, right, of electronic component in the year 2019. Means I'm finding the price for what? Price in what year? 20.
P 2019.
Yeah, so P 2019 equals to question mark, right? If total sales in the year 2018 is 500,000, so price
100,000.
2018 equals to 500,000.
1000.
Okay. So what formula will I use?
The I.
I equals to P1 over P0 times 100. When involved price, confirm use this formula, man. Okay. Don't even have to think, like just put in the formula. That's it. So what you have to ganti? You have to ganti I, ganti P1, ganti P0. Confirm P1 ganti which one? Price in
Pre 2019.
2019 because that's the new year. And P0 confirm ganti price 2018 500,000.
500,000.
And for the I, you have to ganti also for 19 over 18 one. Because just now P1 you
Yeah.
ganti 2019 one. P0 you ganti P 2018. So the I also have to ganti 19 over 18. But 19 over 18, which one will take? You will take the
That is not
okay, let's read the
120.1
question. Find the total sales of electronic equipment.
equipment.
So let's go back to the table. So let's go back to the table. So let's go back to the table. Did the soalan mention P, Q, R, or S?
No.
No. So can I take 120, 125, 130, 110?
No.
No lah. I cannot take all of these numbers. Even though the year match, memang 1918. But I cannot because they never mention any of this. Means I have to take the average.
Whole composite.
And yeah, the average, the composite index. Means if the average will be the composite index, which is the B answer. Am I right?
120. Yeah.
120.97. Can you see it?
97.
So what will I put here? 120.97. So
97.
I'll write 120.97. So now I can find my price in 2019 already. First, I will take 120.97 divide 100.
Divide by
Get
100.
like 1.2097 equals to price equals to 500,000. And then my price in 2019 will be 1.2097.
604861.
Yes,
Point
right.
11.
So RM 604861.11.
RL 11.
Okay. So 60486.11 equals to price 20. Right? So that's all. That's it. Right? So easy. All right. Let's continue with D. If the total sales of electronic equipment increase by 30%, this is trying to give you the I lah. Okay. So the total sales from 2019 to 2020. So it means my I for what? My I for 20 over 19
20
equals to berapa?
130.
Yes, you're right. But this one is not for single punya. It's for average. Can you see total sales of electronic equipment? It means that the soalan never mentioned P, Q, R, or S. Means you can also write I dash. Okay. Means this is actually the composite index. It's
Composite.
130. Yeah. But it's not important actually. Okay. If you write I also, it's like it doesn't matter. Okay. Boleh juga. So calculate the composite index. Composite index of the total sales in the year 2020 based on 2018. Okay. In one question, how many year you see?
3 years.
3 years, 2019, 2020, 2018. So automatic, I will draw the face. But before I draw the face, let's see what they want first. Calculate composite index in what year? 2020, 2018. So I dash for 2020 over 2018 equals to question mark. So what I will do, I'll write 2018 here, I'll write 2019 here, and 2020. And isn't this the one I want? The mouth part, right? So if I want to find here, I need this one and this one, right?
Yeah.
So that I can take these two numbers times together and divide.
Darab and then bahagi 100.
Yeah. But can you see they free for you? 130. This one like they free for you. They give you for free one. So the 130 I have to write where? On the right eye.
The left eye.
On the right side. This one. Okay. And I still need one more. Okay. I still need the 19 over 18. But the 19 over 18, I cannot muscle. Okay. Let's go back to the table. I cannot muscle any of these value. Same reason. Why? Because the question never mentioned PQRS. Means I have to take the average for 1918. And what's the average of 1918? 120.97. Boleh ikut class? So 120.97. So what is the 20 over 18 punya composite index? So I write composite index for 20 over 18 equals to these both numbers times together 120.97 times 130 divide
100.
Right? So let's tekan what you get.
157.26.
Yes, 157.26. Right? I got also tekan sama-sama one. Okay? Like in case, alright. Just to like verify lah. Okay, because I takut I think salah. So I got tekan also. Yep, you're correct. Okay, so just check the answers. Alright. Boleh Sabong?
Yep.
Hey, the Kuhan never come today. He never like maybe he forgot.
He coming at 5 o'clock.
Are you why?
He's in the clinic.
Astaga. Tak apalah. Okay, you just continue. Mani, you ada buat ke tak dekat rumah? Ada buat tak Mani?
Yeah, I do it.
So did you check the answer?
Yeah.
So boleh kan? Boleh ikut kan?
Mm.
Do you need time to salin?
No, later I can see in the YouTube,
Okay, okay. And try to make sure you how to say you you faham lah benda ni, alright? Because tak nak
Mm.
question. Okay, let's continue lah. Alright, let's continue. Number 6. Okay, number 6. The table shows the price indices. What's price indices? We use what symbol? We use I to represent price index. Yes, for 3 material RS and T used in the production of a type of desk. So you have material R, material S, material T. It means later if the question never mentioned any of these RST, means I have to take the average. Okay, like the composite index lah. Okay, let's see here. The first column, price index in the year 2020 based on 2016. Right away, I will label I for 2020 over 16. And this one will be what? Price index for 2018 over 2016. But I can see that this one tak bagi, this one also tak bagi, right? So let's see A, they want to find what? Find the price index of material R. Oh, they got mentioned, They got mentioned R, So you don't go and take the average, okay? So the R we use, R is what we want, okay?
R only.
I will tengok sini. Astaga. Ayo. Tengok sini. Right? Tak biasa lah dengan benda ni. Right? Means this one lah. Boleh faham? So find the price index material in the year 2020 based on 2018. So I will write I for what? You want to find what? I for 2020 based on 20 over 18 equals to question mark lah. Okay, how to do Sarin, can you teach me?
Smiley face.
Yes, you're right. Because if you look from the table, you actually have 20 over 16 punya I, and you also have 18 over 16 punya I. And if you want to find 20 over 18 punya I, you can use the 3-year method. The 3-year one where you just draw a smiley face, and then you have to write the year from what year, because you have this you have this thing, this thing, right? So you write 2016, 2018, and 2020. Okay, the 2018 I want is the right eye. Can you see it's this part? And then the 2018, 2016 one is 125, right? Can you see it's provided? So I'll write what? 125. And can you tell me what the 140 is what?
125.
For the mouth part.
But that one 20 over 16.
Yeah, 20 over 16. Yeah, the mouth part, right? So can you tell me how to find this question one? Can I take 125 times 140 divided 100?
No.
No, then how?
140 equals to 125 times
Times the
I
I
20
of
over 18.
2018, right?
100.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so this one times this part, which is the I of 2018 divided 100 equals to 140. Yeah. So what is I 20 over 18? First, I will tekan 140 times 100, and then I will tekan
100. Divide 125.
0, 0, divide 125. 1, 1.
112.
So, so I can done lah. That's the answer. Tak payah tulis RN because it's not P.
It's the price index.
Okay, let's go to B. So let's baca here. So bawah sini, the price of material. Oh, they got mention S. Means everything I kena tengok mana? I kena tengok everything
S only.
S1, right? Okay, wait. Okay, so means I have to erase this, right? So now I'm only using this info, and I don't even have this info, but it's okay. Let's read the question. The price of materials S in the year 2016 is 16 ringgit. So
16.
the P of 2016 is what? RN? 16, all right. And the price in the year 2020 is 20.8. So price in what year? 2020 is
P 2020.
20.8. And during exam, don't be like me lah. Write the RM, okay? So find the value of X. Oh yo, how to find value of X? Okay, what's value of X actually? X is actually the I for 2016 for S. Agree?
Yeah.
So if I want to find X, I will use the first formula definitely because it involves price already. So P1 over P0 times 100.
100.
Okay? And kebetulan this X is the I for 2016, and I have they give you the price in 2020 2016. So the I can ganti X, the P1 I can ganti
20.8.
Yep, over 16 times 100. Boleh faham kan? So just tekan this one lah. What do you get?
130.
Yep. So the X equals 130. I should update my diagram because I feel like you need this info for your next question, right? So done lah. That's all done already. Okay. So let's go to soalan C. Find the price of material S in the year
S
2018. Right. So let's scroll up. Okay. So I will write C by C here. So find the price of material S. So they got mentioned S means I have to take out
S
S here. Means I use this info, I use the 130 info, I can use the 120 info. But they want the price of material S in the year
2018.
2018
18.
punya, year punya price. Okay, I won't use this info. Why? Sharmin?
Because that don't have the year 2018.
Yeah, because the
That's the year.
okay, confirm. Okay, when you see they say find price, confirm is like I equals P1 P0 times 100 already. Right? Means I have to gantikan the I, the P1 and the P0. And if I use this info as my I, the price I masuk will be 2020 atas and the price I masuk bawah will be 2016. So it doesn't involve 2018. So I won't use this info. I will use the 120. And can you tell me if I ganti the I 120, the P1 will be priced in what year?
P 2018.
Yes. And the bawah will be priced in what year?
2016.
Yes.
2016.
So atas will be priced 2018, bawah will be priced 2016 because the 120 is the I for 18 or 16. That's why I always ask students to label this. Right, very important. But the price 2016 ada ke? Ada lah, eh? You look at the
Ada
last question,
16.
16 ringgit. Because if you read carefully, for B they're also talking about S. Means they are talking about the same material.
Thing,
Okay,
material.
so you can use the info actually 16. So you just put price 2018 equals to Rn. 120 divide 100 is 1.2, and then I'll take 1.2 times 16. So what is it?
RM 19.2. 19 ringgit 20 cents.
Yeah, you should write 19.20 because it's price, right? So that's all. Okay. All right. I will go the next question for D. Okay, the composite index. Okay, terus tulis I dash because it's like composite index. I tulis I dash for the production cost of dash. They never mention R, S, or T. Never mention means I have to take the what? What's the word?
Oh,
So if they never mention R, S, T means I have to take the
the whole
average.
average.
Yeah, the average, or you can also say take the composite
Composite.
index. Yeah. So the composite index in the year 2018 based on 2016 is 129.5. So 18 over 16, 129.5. And then the cost of R, S, and T used in making the desk are in the ratio 1:3:2. Okay, if they give you ratio means they are trying to give you what? The
Weightage.
W, yeah, the weightage. So I will just draw a new column. Actually, you want to draw on this side also can. It's up to you. So the 1 will be the ratio for R, and then S is 3, T is 2. So 1, 3, and 2.
2.
Find the value of Y. So find this value. So how to find? They give you this info already, ma. This info is
Use
for the
composite.
composite index for 129, for 18 over
16.
16, right? So
Mm.
okay, let's zoom out a bit. Okay, so what I will do now is I will draw a line. Are you not even straight? Okay, I'll draw a line. Goes to 129.5. Definitely use the second formula. So what's the second formula? Sum of IW divide sum of W. So the I use have to be in what year?
18 or 16.
Yeah, it has to match, right? I told you already. I repeat many times already. If this because this is the I dash for 18 over 16 means I have to use the I here, not here. Okay. So what I will do is I will take the 125 darab dengan
Times 1.
1 plus 120 darab dengan 3
3.
plus Y darab dengan
Y times 2.
but the
2Y.
Y actually you have already, right? Do you have the Y? Oh, don't have
No. We need to find.
So
We need to find
don't
Y.
have then tak apalah. Then we just put Y, okay? Over the total weightage. What's the total weightage? 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, even though we don't have the Y, but actually it's okay because we have the composite index. So later actually you can just pindah, right? And then get the Y. Okay, so let's continue. What's 1 plus 3 plus 2 is like 6, right? Because 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, atas, all right, let's tekan 125 plus 120 times 3 plus, that's all. So it will be 485 plus
5 plus 2Y.
2y. And then over 6 equals to 129.5. So I will continue here. So 485 plus 2y equals to 129.5
Over
times
6.
Yeah, times 6. Bagi dah 7, 7, 7. And then you will take 7, 7, 7, 7 minus
Minus 485.
yes. What do you get?
292.
Yeah. And then bahagi 2, 1, 4.
146.
Yeah. So y is 146. Okay. Same answer, Erin.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Same.
So let's continue. So you finished the whole thing already, lah.
Yeah.
Did you check the answer in the back?
Yep.
So semua sama or ada soalan yang tak sama? Got any
Have
question
soalan like
yang
a bit
tak dapat ke?
different.
Oh, sama lah.
Some questions. Yeah.
Some question lah. Okay, it's okay. Let's continue.
Some questions I
Okay lah, tak apa lah. It's okay. Alright. So let's continue with the soalan E. Okay, I don't have enough space already, but it's okay. Okay, soalan E, they say it is given that the price of desk. Okay, they never mention R, S, or T, means we have to take the average, the composite. In 2018 is 181.3, find corresponding in 2016. Okay, it's okay lah. I don't need a lot of space for this question. Very easy only. So I think this space is enough. Right. So I will draw like this. I'll write E. So they give you price, right? Price of what? Desk in 2018. How much? 181.30,
desk
30, right?
What?
And then
130.
181.30. All right. And then find the corresponding price in 2016. So price in 2016 equals to question mark. So what formula will I use? I equals to P1 P0 times
P1 or P0 times 100.
Yeah. So the P1 definitely you ganti what? Which one?
181.3
181.30. Why you ganti that one? Because that's the
or
20
P2018.
price. That's the newer year. And what do you think you will ganti for P0?
Yeah.
For P0, I will ganti the price in
P2016.
Yeah. And then for the I have to ganti for 18 over 16 punya I juga. Alright. But they never mention RST, means I have to take the composite index. Or you can also
The
say
whole
the
average.
for 18 over 16 punya average. So where is 18 over 16 punya average? Here lah. 129.5.
Yep.
5.
1.5.
Faham ke kelas? So
Faham.
129.5. So how to find price 2016? First, I will pindah the 100. So 181.30 over price in 2016 times 100. You can divide what 129.5
Divide.
divide 100 is 1.29.
1.295.
Yeah. Okay, I'll continue here. So it becomes what?
181.3.
Tempat, right? Switch places. So switch
Yeah.
place become price 2016 equals to 181.3
1.2.
over what?
1.295.
So the answer is
140.
Yep. So
RM 140.
181.3 right 1.295 RM 140. So boleh ah. Right.
Yeah.
Stop for a while. Like for some time for you to check your answers. Yang nak salin pun boleh salin. Right. I will zoom out lah so that you can see the whole thing. Right. Yeah. Right. Go. Oh, he joined already. The hello, handsome boy. Maybe he doesn't wanna open. It's okay. So tomorrow, are you going school? Like tomorrow Friday, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
definitely not going school, right?
I don't think so. Don't know. I don't know yet.
Oh.
But maybe.
Okay, boleh lah. Let's go ah. Continue ah. Money boleh money.
Yeah, Tuna.
Boleh ah. Continue ah. Okay, let's go.
Mhm.
Number 7. We have like how many more to go until 12, right? So like 5 more.
Yeah.
Right. But I don't know if I can finish it. But if I cannot, then I'll just stop it lah. Okay, I'll try to finish it. Kalau boleh. What time we start just now? 4:10, right? So okay, boleh. Alright, let's continue. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Okay, let's see number 7. Okay, the table below shows the price. Price means P, and price indices means I of 4 ingredients KLMN used in production for a type of sweets. The bar chart shows the cost of items in the year 2010. So bar chart is the weightage, right? So 10 sini baca, 15 baca sini, 55 baca
55.
sini, 20.
20.
So all of these are the weightage. right? So I'll just put a new column and just call it W. Here will be 10, 15. What is this? 55.
55. 20.
Okay, let's add up all the weightage. What you get?
100. Wait.
Plus 65 plus 20. 100. Betul semua?
Yes, 100.
Okay, the ingredient KLMN, okay, means later if the soalan never mention KLMN, means I take the average, okay.
The
Okay,
average.
price 2010, so P 2010. Price 2015, so P 2000.
P20.
Price
15,
index means the
2015.
I for 15 over 10, right? So
10.
they give you the I here lah. Okay, so A they say what? Find the values of X, Y, Z.
Find the values
Which
of X,
formula will
Y,
I
Z.
use?
Mm,
The
I.
first formula.
The
Yeah,
first.
I equals to P1 over P0 times 100. Gantikan I, ganti P1, ganti P0, then you get the answer, right? So let's say I want to find X. Means the I ganti will be 125. Agree?
1 to 5.
Yeah, and then the P1 I ganti will be X, because
X.
that's the 2015, that's the newer year, and then over 0.2 times
0.2. 100.
times 100, right? So X will be what? 125 times 100. I will tekan be what? 100. Then I will tekan times 0.2. Okay. So it will be
0.2.
M 0.2.
RM 0.25.
Yeah, I hope you get the same as me lah. Right. Next is find values of Y. So find value of Y, how to
Y.
find? I will use the
Y
same
equals
formula.
to
Okay, let's okay, so it will be same formula, ganti I, ganti P1, ganti P0. The I will ganti Y, because that's the I, and then the P1 is 0.15 over 0.10
0.1.
times 100. So
100.
if I tekan this, I get what?
150.
Yeah, thank you. And I think I have to update, right? Because I think I'll use this info later. Because B, they ask you to find composite index. Means I'll use this info later, right? That's why I write it here. Okay, what about Z? How to find Z? So I will ganti
100.
into this formula and I will just masuk I, masuk P1, masuk P0. But the I will masuk what? For the I will
140.
masuk 140, right? And then for the P1, I will masuk what? 0.56.
0.56.
And then for the P0, I will ganti Z
Z times
times 100.
100.
So it'll be 0.56 over Z times 100 become divide 100. 140 divide 100 is like 1.4. And this one
1.4.
I told you already, you can tukar tempat, just switch places. So it become RM what? 0.56.
0.40. RM 40 cents.
Yeah. So what is it? 0.40.
4.
Okay. Please remember to write RM for X and Z because they are price. But for Y no need because it's price index.
Index.
Next, let's continue for B. Calculate the composite index means the I dash for 2015, 2010. So I dash for 2015 and 2010.
10.
What's the formula for composite index? Sum
Sum
of
of IW
I dot
over
W over
sum
sum of W, right? And if the formula is sum of I times W over sum of W, but they want the 15 over 10 punya, means the I have to take what year? They kena match
15
year
over 10.
sama. Yeah, means I have to take this one. Means I'll take 125 times 10.
10.
So 125 times 10 plus with 150
150
times
times 15.
15, right? So 150 times 15, and then the next one is 120 times,
120 times 55.
and then plus the next one
140 times 20.
so it's 1, so it's 20 over the total weightage is 100.
100.
Okay, so over 100 here, and then I just tekan atas lah. So let's tekan 125 times 10 plus 150 times 15
Oops.
plus 55, sorry, plus 120 times 55 plus 140 times 10. So do you get the same 129?
Wait, you know.
Okay, so the answer is 129. So that's
Yeah, 129.
just now is 140. Tak cukup tempat lah. Right, that's all. That's the answer. Okay, let's move on. For C. So soalan C, they say the production cost of a packet of sweets in the year 2010 is 250. So the 250 you see there's a RM here means that is the price. So I should write P
Price
2010 equals to what? RM
250.
250. And then
250.
find corresponding cost in 2015 means I want to find the price, the P in what year?
2015.
2015. So I'll put the question mark like this. So which formula will I use? Confirm. I will be
This one.
using the
I.
I equals to P1 over P0
P1 or
times.
P0.
Okay. So what will I guarantee for the P1?
2015. P 2015.
Yeah, 2015. You are right. And what will I guarantee for the P0? It will be 2010.
250.
So I will guarantee 250. Because newer year always letak atas. And for the I, I will guarantee 2015 over 2010 punya I. Faham ke kelas? I have to guarantee the 2015 or 2010 punya I. Alright? But
129.
there's so many to choose from. So if you read the question again, did they mention K, L, M, or N? They never,
No.
right? They never mention. They just say the production cost of packet of sweets, find corresponding cost means I have to take the average. Faham? So the average for 15 over 10. So the average for 15, 10, that is the answer from B. Because if you look at B, calculate composite index in the year 2015 over 2010 punya average. Means if I look at my B, the B answer 129, that's the one I masuk. Faham ke kelas? Faham Boleh semua orang? So price 2015 will be what? I will tekan 129, bahagi 100 dulu. And then darab
250.
So what I get?
RM 322 50 cents.
Like this betul lah. So 322.5.
Yeah.
Right. So let's.
But I think in the answer they give a bit different.
Yeah.
Oh no, correct. Correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct.
Okay. Boleh sambung. So the last question already. Let's go. Number D. The cost of producing the sweets increased by 15% from 2015 to 2020. Okay, what are they trying to tell me here? They are trying to tell
The
us the I for 20 over 15. Agree, class?
Yes.
Because they say from 15 to 20 increase 15%. Means they're trying to tell you the I of 2015 will be 115. Okay, increase 15%. Okay. And then find the composite index, means the I dash for 2020 based on 2010. So 2020 based on 2010 punya I dash. Faham ke class? And actually, this is also the I dash, Why? Because they say the cost of producing the sweets is not KLMN. So this is actually the I dash also, even though they never mention anything regarding composite index here. But you should know it's the average because they never mention KLMN. Right? So you see 3 years, right? 2015, 2010. So you will draw like a smiley face, and then you will write 2015, 2010. Sorry. Start from what? Start from
2010.
Yeah, and then 2015 and 2020. Okay, what I want to find now, 2010, which is
20.
the mouth
the
part,
mouth
right?
part.
Yeah, the mouth part. And then this one they free for you. They like free percuma bagi you one. And this one is the 2015 one. So that's the right eye. So the right eye is 115. It means if I want to find the mouth part and I have the right eye, means I need the left eye also. Then only I can take the left eye times the right eye, divide 100. Then only I will get the mouth part. Okay. So what I will do here, I will
Find the.
What do I do? I will
We
take the
already found.
composite. Yeah, I'll take the composite index for 15 over 10, right? Which is 129. Okay. So I cannot take from the 1510 here because we are all using composite index. So what is the so if I scroll up, I can see the composite index for 1510 is 129, right? That's why I write 129 here. So how to continue? The I dash for 20 over 10, the mouth part equals to 129 times 115 divide 100. So what's the final answer?
148.35.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'm done already. So I will stop for a while. Yang nak saling boleh saling, yang nak sembah jawapan boleh sembah jawapan. I will zoom out. If you have any question, you can tell me, or you can ask in the chat also. Or if you want me to zoom in, kasih you can tell me. All right. Boleh tu, I will Continue, class.
Mm.
So let's go to the next one, number 8. Okay, let's go. So number 8. Let's read the question together. Let's go, let's go. The bar chart below
Chart
shows the price
below
of
shows
4
the price.
ingredients. Bar
Ingredient.
chart, so definitely weightage. A,
Weightage.
B, C, D used in production of a type of prawn crackers in the year 2018, 2019, while the pie chart. So they give you, oh, maksudnya this is not the weightage actually.
Yeah,
Because if you
it's
look at the bar
the
chart, what is
price.
A? You see this? There you
The
got right. So
ingredient.
let's wait. This is the price, and this is the ingredient. So we have ingredient A, B, C, D. Means this is actually not the weightage. This is the price. This one the left side one is the price in 2018, and the right side one is the price in 2019.
19.
And then they say the pie chart shows the percentage. This is the weightage. Okay, expenditure of the ingredient. Okay, usually when you do the question, they will definitely give you the table, right? But they never give you table
Yeah.
for this one. So let's draw our
Bar
own
chart.
table. Okay, so let's draw our own table. All right. So we have what ingredient? A, B, C, and
B, C, D.
and we also have weightage. Okay, but the weightage I will put at last lah.
At last.
And here I will write down the price, which is the price. There's two, right? 2018 and 2019. Okay. So let's and then weightage. Okay. So for A, can you see the left side here is 0.4, means that's the price 0.4. And then here for A, the price in 2019 is how much?
0.5.
Yeah, 0.50. And then for B, how much here?
0.2.
0.20. And then 2019, 0.30. For C, 2018, 0.10. For 2019, C, 0.20. What's the next one? D, 2018, 0.50. 2019, 0.40. Okay, because they already mentioned here. Okay, for this color is 2018, for this color is 2019. For the weightage, all right, A is 20, B is 25, C is 40, D is 15. Betul. Okay, so 20, 25. Okay, so that's all. All right, anything else? Bar chart below shows nothing. All right, so this is the table I draw myself, and then I draw myself because the question never give, That's why I draw myself. So now I can go to my next page. So this is the soalan. So A, they want to find what? They want to find the price indices. Means I find the I lah, I of ingredient A, B, C, D. Means how many answer I need? Will I have? I will have 4 answer, right?
4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have to find the I for A, B, C, D in the year 2019 based on 2018. So how I want to write this? I will write A, and then I will use the formula. Right? What's the formula? I equals to P1 over P0
times 100.
times 100. So how to find the I for 1918 for A? So it will be
Of A.
price P1 or P0 times 100. The price one will be price in 2019.
0.5.
The bawah one will be price in 2018.
2018.
So I have to tengok balik lah. So what is it? 2019 for A,
0.5.
0.5, 0.4. So let's write it down. 0.5 and 0.4.
4.
What is 0.5 divide 0.4 times 100?
For 125.
125. Actually, I think I'll just write in the other page because it's easier to refer. So I will just write here for the working. So for A, the ingredient A punya I, it's 19 over 18. Will be 0.5 over 0.4 times 100. So what do you get just now? 1, 2, 5. Right? So I'll scroll back down. Let's zoom out. All right. So I will draw another line. I'll write for the
100.
I for
125.
and then I will write 125 here. Okay. And also I need to show the working here. Okay, next for ingredient B, right? So for ingredient B, it will be what? It will be you're also
For B,
finding the I for 19 to 18. So what time?
same
What
thing.
over what? 0 point?
0.3 over
Three?
0.2.
Yeah. So what's the answer?
Answer is 150.
Yep. Okay. So I got tekan sama-sama with you also. I get 150. And then next will be the for ingredient C. So ingredient C is what? Price 2019, price 2018 divided. So 0.2, 0.2
Divide by
divide
0.10.
1
0.1.
times 100. So what you get?
200.
200. Yes. And then the last one, space. So
For
19 over
D,
18 equals to what or what? So it will be
0.4
0.40
over
divide 0.5,
5.
right? So
Yeah.
0.4 over 0.5 times
100.
100. So what's 0.4 over 0.5 times 100?
80.
80. Yeah. All right. So actually we can write it back down here. Okay. So I will write 150 and then I'll write 200 and I will write
80.
okay. Wait
Yep.
let me tekan and see. Please. Alright, betul lah. Right, betul betul. Okay, so that's all lah. Right. Now we can go to next question. I hope you
B.
bought already dekat rumah. Alright, so next wait, how do I write? So next question B, what they want to find? So
Calculate the composite index for the cost.
yeah, so B they want you to calculate the composite index, right? So
Mm.
for 19 based on 18. So ayo, I have to go back there again.
Composite.
So
Yeah.
I will take what? 125 times 20, 150 tarap semua, and then tekan, right?
Huh.
So
Yep.
Tulis sini lah. Alright, so B. The I dash for what year? 2019 based on 20.
18.
And I will use the formula. So it will be I times W, the sum of I times W, right? So let's go back there. So I times W, so it will be what? 125 times 20. So I'll write what here? 125 times,
125 times 20
yes. And then let's go back.
plus
The next one
20.
is 150 times 25. So
50
let's go back.
times
150
25.
times 25. And plus, okay, let's go back there again. Okay, 150 times 25, 200 times,
200 times 40.
yes, thank you. So 200 times 40. And then you will plus with the last one, the final one, let's go back, final one. It will be 80 times 15, right? So 80 times 15 over the total weightage. And the total weightage will be 20 plus 25 plus 40 plus 15. So you'll get something here and then
Junho.
yes. Any question?
Okay, no. Just now I cannot see your writing. Now I can see. Okay.
See now, alright. So bawah you get what? 100. And then atas, what you get? 125 times 20 plus 150 times 25 plus 200 times 40 plus 50 times 50. Alright, I hope you get the same. What you get? 154 50, and then you divide by 100. So final answer 154.5.
Uh,
So that's the answer. Okay, betul already. Boleh? Any question? Boleh ke? Boleh ke? Boleh buat ke kelas?
Boleh Junho.
Boleh lah.
hello.
Right. Sharmin, boleh Sharmin?
Yeah, boleh.
Boleh ya. Maybe like connection problem good. That's why like that's why I lag a bit. Alright. I continue, C. So I
Yeah,
think
yeah. My first.
here, C. Alright, C. The cost of baking packet of prawn crackers in the year 2018 is 2 ringgit. Calculate the corresponding cost in the year 2019. So what's 2 ringgit? The price in 2018.
Of
So the price in
2018.
20, yeah, thank you. Equals to RM 2. And then calculate the price in 2019. So that's the P 2019 is question mark. I don't know. And then they say,
Mm.
uh, oh, that's all. That's all. So what formula will I use? I equals to P1 over P0 times
P0 100.
100. And what I have to ganti for my P1?
P 2019.
Yes, thank you. What I have to ganti for my P0?
2.
2 ringgit, right? Because they give you already. Because new year always letak atas. And what the I I have to ganti for what year? It will be the I for
19
19
over
over 18. And if you
18.
read the question, they never mention A, B, C, or D. You see? Means I have to take the
Yeah.
means I have
The
to take
whole
the
average.
average. So what's the average? 154.5.
154.5.
So it's just beside here only, 19 over 18 average is 154.5. If I go back to the last page, this one also 1918, but I cannot take all of this because this is for A, B, C, D, like for single. You have to take the average. That is why
B, C,
I
and D.
take this one, 154.5. Then
Mm.
you tekan this one, then you get the answer already. Okay, it's like so easy. Okay, so price
Mm.
20. So price of 2019, it will be 154.5. I will tekan the 154.5 divide 100 first. And then I will get 1.545 and then times with 2.
5
So 3
times 2.
point.
0.09.
Yeah. So that is the answer.
Mm.
Final question. Let's go. D. So okay, let's go. D.
Plus
The cost of all ingredient used to make the prawn crackers increase by 5% from the year 2019 to
19 to
2020.
20.
Means they're trying to give you the I for what year?
20 over 19.
Yes. And they say increase 5%. So how?
105.
Yeah, 105. But this one is actually the I dash, if you think about it. Because the soalan never they say the cost of all ingredient used to make prawn crackers.
Mm.
Means it's not for A, for B, for C, for D. It means I'll just put I dash here. Okay. But if you don't put also can also lah, right? But they're actually talking about the I dash. And then find the composite index means find the I dash also. But for what year? 2020 based on 2018. So what I will do, I see 3 years in one question, so straight away I'll draw like a smiley face, and then I'll write 2018 here, write 2019 here, I'll write 2020 here. And I want to find 20 over 18, right? Means I'm finding the mouth part. So this one they free for you already. They give like for free for you. So this is the what? The right eye. Am I right? Because this is the 2019 105. So this one I can throw 105 already. But if I want to find the mouth part, I need to have the left eye and the right eye times together divide 100. So I need to have the left eye. And the left eye, what will I put? I will also put the I dash. Okay, I will also put the composite index because the 105 is composite index. I'm finding the composite index means the here also I have to put composite index. And I actually have the
1.5 pop.
composite index for 1918. It's 154.5. So I will just put here 154.5. Right? Because you do already just now if you remember. Okay. So how to get the I dash for 20 over 18?
Mm.
So that's the mouth part. So I will take 154.5 times 105 divide 100.
Times
So
105.
I will get what? I will get 162.23
162.23.
pun boleh, but if
23.
you want to 2 to 5 lah, but actually it's 2 to 5. Okay. But if you tulis 23 pun correct already, right? Yeah, that's all. So I'll stop for a while. Yang nak salin boleh salin. And then if you want to check the answer, you can check the answer. Okay, I will zoom out for you so you can see clearly. Okay. So your PM tuition also tak ada like online already lah. Betul lah. Your PM tuition
Yeah, online.
online. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, boleh sambung? Boleh ah.
Yup.
Okay. Ayo. I don't think I can finish like all the until 12 lah, but I'll try lah. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Let's do one more lah. Let's do one more and then I'm done lah. Okay. The last 3 question,
Alright.
I let you handle it by yourself lah. Alright. And then after I finish this, I want to do one like trial one. Okay, the trial question. Okay, like the state paper. I will do the Kelantan set. Okay. Alright. So let's do it now. Let's zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Okay, number 9. The table shows the information for 3 materials. So we have material P, Q, and R used to
QR.
produce a type of handbag by a manufacturer. Wow, they give you so many columns for this. Wow, it's like so many years. So try to label it so they don't get confused. What's the first column here?
I 19/18.
I for 1918. Yes, thank you. And what's the column for here? Change in price index. Huh? Change in price index for 1920. It means this is the I for 20
20
over 19.
20 over
And the
19.
10% increase here means 110. The no change here
110.
means 100. The 20%
100.
decrease here means 100 minus 20,
80.
80. Okay. So change in price index. So yeah. Oh, patut lah. Because they give in percentage mah. That's why they write change in price index. Means you
80.
change it back to, if you want to change back to I, you will take 100 plus, and if decrease 100 minus, and then yeah, that's all, right? So I hope you understand. Next is also the price index, but next is for the year 2020 based on 2018. So the I for 20 over 18. And then the last one is the W lah, the weightage. If you don't label, it's like very easy to get confused. The only way they can make this harder is by adding more years. Alright, the only way they can make it harder is like put many years. So be careful lah. Okay, try to label every time. Okay, let's go number number 1. Find the values of H and K. So anyone knows how to do find H and K? So of H is the I 2018, right? Means I will use this info and this info to help me. Okay, so I'll use these two info to help me. So macam mana nak buat? So I think first I will use the smiley face lah, because I actually have the 2019 I and the 1918 punya I. And if I get 2018 I'll use this, right? So here will be 2018, here will be 2019, here will be 2020. Okay, H is the 2018 one. Means H is the mouth part. Can you see?
The mouth part.
Yeah. It means if I want to find the mouth part, I need to have the left eye and the right eye. Then times together divide 100. So what's the left eye? Actually, I have already, because 1918 is 120. So
120.
Yeah, and what is the 110? That is the I for 2019, which is the right eye. Okay. So if you want to find the H, it's quite easy. 120 times 110 divide 100.
Times
What is that?
100. 132.
Yeah, thank you. 132. So the answer for H is 1. So I will just update and write 132. Next, they want to find value of K. How to find value of K? This one, right?
Yeah, same
If you
way.
want to find the value of K, I will also use the
Smiley face.
right? Actually, you don't have to draw the smiley face again, because you already know. If you want to get this one, you'll take here times here divide 100, right? So how to
100.
get K? How to get K? Can you tell me?
130 times 80 divided by 100.
Yeah. Okay. But if you takut, you want to draw again, also can lah. Okay. You want to draw the smiley face again, also can. But I will not do it lah. Okay. But if you takut, you can draw it again also. You will get the same result. So K equals to what? 130 times 80 divide 100. Just like how you get H lah, you just use the same method. So what you get?
80. 100.
104.
Uh,
So that
4.
is the answer.
4. 104.
All right, let's tengok next question. So erase here. Okay, still question A, but still soalan A, but question number 2. So number 2, they say calculate the price, means P lah, of material R. Oh, they got mention material R, so be careful. So we are talking about R now, right? So price of material R in the 2019, if price 2020 is 20 ringgit. So first of all, I'll write R, and then I'll write price in 2019 nak cari. So price 2019 nak cari, so I'll just put it question mark. And then price 2020, 20 ringgit. So price 2020, RM20, like this. Means what formula will I use? When involve price, confirm
I.
use which formula? Yeah, the I formula. What's the I formula? P1 over P0 times 100. I gantikan the
P0
P1, I gantikan the P0, I gantikan the I, then I get my answer. Okay, very easy.
Yeah.
P1, I ganti what? The newer year, which is
20.
2020, so 20 ringgit. And then P0 ganti apa? Price in
P19.
2019.
P19.
And for the I have to ganti the I for what year? I for what year? 2020 over
20 over
2019.
19.
Yeah, because that's the one you masuk atas and bawah. So what's the I for 2020 over 2019? So isn't it
80.
here? The one I bulatkan now, 20 over 19. But I cannot take 110. I cannot take 100. I have to take 80. Why? Because we're talking about R ma. So
Because
we
R.
have to take the R lah. So 80. So we don't simply take all of this. All right. What if the soalan never mention? Can you tell me what if the soalan never mention P, Q, or R? Means what I have to do? Hello.
Then average.
Yeah, take average. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So if they never mention any of these, take average. Right. Thank you. Okay. 80 divided 100.
Take
0.08. So the price in 2019, you can switch places. Okay. Switch place means this one and the 0.08 tukar tempat. So tukar tempat. So price 2019 will be
25.
20 over 0.08. So RM what? RM 25. Eh, I silap already. Okay. Sorry. I silap already.
0.0.
Silap.
Yeah,
This one is not 8,
Yep.
0.08 lah.
0.8 only.
0.8. Sorry. I silap. And then means
It's
here also
0.8.
0.8. And then it means what's 20 divided 0.8?
0. 25.
Okay, let's go. Next question. Number 2. Done already, number 2. So next question is B already. Okay. So number 2, they ask to price for material R, right? So done already. Okay, let's go B. Let's go. Find the value of M. Where is M? Here. So how to find the value of M? So M is the weightage. So I think I will use composite index lah. Composite index formula, because that's the only formula that involves weightage. So how to use the I dash formula?
I dash equals to sum I W over sum of W.
Yeah, but did they give me the I dash? They got give lah. They got give.
Yeah.
I missed out already this one. The composite index for the production cost of holding back 2020 based on 2018 is 115. So sebenarnya we have to use this info lah. I dash for what? 2020 based on 2018. So 20 over 18, 115. Actually, I didn't read this baris just now. Like I finished the table, I throw spot A. I never noticed this. All right, but you have to use this info lah for this question. So how to do? I'll draw a line equals to 115. Okay, the formula will be sum of I times W divided by the W. But can you tell me for the I need to masuk which one? The first
year
one,
20
or
or
second
18.
one, or the third one?
Third one.
So I'll masuk the
Third one.
third one. Yeah. Why? Because this is I dash for 2018. And the I you must also have to match one. The year have to match. So 132 times 3 plus
105.
Yes.
Times M.
Yeah, thank you. But
and 104 times 1.
So it's okay. K times 1. So do I know the K? Actually,
Yeah.
I know the K. Because when you do A just now, remember you already find the values of H and K. So if you scroll up, the K
Yep.
is 104.
Yep.
Alright, so the K is 104. So
104.
So it means I can go down, I can write 104 here. Okay, next is what? Next
Divide
is over
by
the
weightage.
weightage. Yeah, 3 plus m plus 1. Okay.
1.
132 times 3 and 104 times 1, we can. So 132 times 3.
500.
So I press that, I get 500. 500 plus 105 m
05 M.
over 3 plus m plus
4
1
plus M.
plus m. M plus 4 or 4 plus m. Same, right? And then 500 plus 105 n equals to 115 times m is 115 n. 115 times 4 is
460.
and I want to find m, so I can hantar the 105 m to this side and hantar the 460 to the other side. So it becomes 500 minus 460, and here will be 115
40.
m minus 105 m. So it will be 115 plus 105 is 10 m.
10 M.
Yeah, and here will be 40. So n
40.
equals to what?
4.
Yeah, right. So that's the answer. Done already. Means I will write M4 here. Okay. And there is one more question. All right. So remember, this question always worth 10 marks one. Okay, always. And it will come out in paper 2 section C. All right. So I hope after today, after this class, you can choose this question if you want in section C. All right. Okay, section C got how many questions total?
3. 3.
4. Okay, 4
4.
questions. But you only choose two
2.
questions. Yeah, 2 questions to answer. And the 4 question is always fixed one. It's always index number, linear programming, solution of triangle,
Solution of triangle.
kinematics. But
Okay.
you can choose the index number if you want lah. And then the second choice, maybe you can choose the linear programming. Linear programming is the one where you have to lukis in the graph paper and then you have to loretkan, like tengok dia bigger or sama dengan
R.
bigger or smaller. Kalau bigger loret atas, smaller loret bawah, that's the one lah. And also I will revise solution of triangle lah with you. Okay. So dia boleh, so that you have like a backup. Okay. It means you can choose 2, but if you can, but I will revise 3 chapters with you in section C, so you have like 1 for backup. Okay, let's continue lah. C. Last question. Let's read the question. The production cost of a handbag in 2018 is 84 ringgit. What's 84? That's the
cost. P.
The cost, the P,
P20.
yeah. So that's the P in 2018. 84. And then find the selling price of the handbag is in the year if the manufacturer wants to make a profit of 50%. Wow, they ask something different. But you don't care actually. You just find the price in 2020. You don't care about what they ask for now. Because they give you the price in 2018. Okay. And then they say selling price of handbag in 2020 if wants to make a profit of 50%. First, you get the price in 2020 first. And then only you worry about this 50%. Faham?
Yeah.
Maksudnya, now I will use the formula I equals to P1 over P0 times 100.
100.
And the P1 I will masuk what?
P20.
P20, yeah. And then the bawah one I will masuk what?
84.
2018, which is 84. And then for the I will masuk I for what year?
115.
For what year?
But 20 or 18?
Yeah, 2020 or 2018, because that's the year I masuk atas bawah just now. So I for 2018, what is it? Okay, I for 2018, this one, right? But I cannot masuk this one, because the soalan never mentioned P, Q, or R. If you read again, they never even mention P, Q, R. It means I have to take the average. It means this is the one I masuk, the average, the I dash, the 115. So I will masuk 115 here. So can I find the price in 2020 now? Yes, I just tekan 115, divide 100, which is 1.15 times 84. What's 1.15?
Yeah. RM 96 ringgit 60 cents.
Yes, but the question is like
Didn't ask.
They twist a bit. They said find the selling price if the manufacturer wants to make a profit of 50%. So the selling price should be 96 ringgit 60 cents. So, yeah, but if I want to make a profit, means I have to smell pula. I have to sell more than this price. Agree? Means what I have to do is I have to take the 96.6, I have to times
Times
50%,
with
and then
yeah.
the answer have to tambah balik
Plus.
dengan 96.6. Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Or you can use a faster way, which is just take 90. So I can write selling price. I can just take 96.6. I times with 150%. Okay, like this. Okay, it will be faster like this lah, right? Because increase 50% so times with 1.5 lah, right? So you write 1.5 here also can So what's 96.6 times 1.5?
Oh.
144.90.
144.90 ringgit.
Yeah, so RM 144.90. Okay, that's all done already. Okay, I will let you. I will stop for a while. For those of you who want to salin, you can salin. And if you want to check answer, you can check answer now. And if you have any question, you can type in the chat. Okay, I will try to answer you if you have any question. And for those yang sudah siap, I want you to take out your tile set. Okay, and find the Kelantan punya paper 2 section C. Okay, like the blue color lah, the blue color set, right?
Yeah.
Alright, boleh
Hmm.
Okay, so I will only do until question 9 lah. There's still question 10, 11, and 12, but I think you can handle it by yourself lah. Okay, let's just go through like see how they ask. Alright, so let's see here number 10. So you can see it, right? So number 10, this one. The price of ingredient A. Okay, use the first formula lah. B, find the price indices of all 4 ingredients. Use the first formula also. C, composite index, second formula. D, got 3 years or not?
3
No, just
years.
20, 20,
3
20.
years.
I think use the first formula also because
No.
yeah.
Oh no, because this one the smiley face I think. Because
Yeah, smiley face, right?
2012
Because if you look at the table here, it's 2015, 2012, this one 2015, 2019. So number 10. Okay, number 10. The 10B have to use smiley face. Okay. So I'll give you the answer to check lah. So number 10A, the answer is so 10A, how you do it? Price of ingredient A, right? So you use the first formula. So you get RM 40.
yeah. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
and then B,
Correct.
they want to find price indices, means find the I for 2019 based on 2012. But
You must define A first, like separate.
they never mention A, B, C, or D. Means you are actually finding the I wait. Of all 4 ingredients, right? Means
Yeah,
I have
but
to
need to
find
do
the
separate.
I dash for 2015, 2012. Wait. Betul lah. 150.
I find like separate for A and then for B and for C.
Yeah. Actually, that's what you need to do. Actually, you need to find. They just want price of ingredient 2019, 2012, right? Means I just do smiley face 4 kali lah. Because this one is 2015, 2012, 2019, 2015. So you will find separately for A, for B, for C, for D. So for A, you will get what? 180. For B,
137.5.
0.5. Yeah, and then for C is 140. For D is
40.
136.
136.
If you ever do, you can silent the answer first lah, and then you do it. Okay, you do it later. But I hope you do it already lah, because I asked you to do it at home, right? Okay, so let's see. Calculate the composite index. This one, the answer is 154.825.
83. Oh.
Soalan D, you just use the first formula. Okay. So what's the answer? 197 point.
107.25.
Yes, you're right. Okay. Number 11, the 11A, they want to find the price of ingredient S. So the answer is 120.
120. Yes.
120. The value of X is 120. And then number 2, the value of Y is RM5.
5,
Yeah. What about B? What's the answer? 1, 2,
125.71.
0.71. Okay, it's also very easy. C number one, they ask for a composite index. So you will use the smiley face and you will get 103.41.
0.41.
Yes, betul, betul. And then C number 2, they ask for what? Cost. So you will use the first formula lah, definitely. So, but after you use the first formula, you have to take the 9,000, divide the price, because they say
Yes.
find the maximum number of chicken
Maximum
nuggets.
number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you will find the price first, and then after you find the price, you will take 9,000 ringgit, divide
Divide.
with the answer, and then you will get like 34615.
34615.38.
Yeah, 0.38. But I have to round off so that it becomes 34615 because it's
Yeah.
number of chicken nuggets. So I have to round off. Okay. Means you will use the
Yeah.
first formula, and when you use the first formula, you will get 0.26. That's the price in 2019, 0.26. And then you will take 9,000 divide 0.26, you get 34615.38. And then you just round off lah, 34615. Okay, done. Let's go. Next, the last question, number 12. Number 12. Also very easy lah, this one. So if they put increase, decrease means you 100 plus 20, 120. Here, 130.
30.
Here, 150. Here,
150. 85.
85. And that will be the I for 2020 over 2016. And the percentage, I think that's the weightage lah. So A, they want to
Weightage.
find, if price of B, okay, they will mention B, so remember to use, don't take the average lah, just take out B lah. And then find the price in 2020. So the answer is 3.51. RM 3.5. Okay. And you also use the first formula. B, they say the production cost of soft drink. So they never mention A, B, C, D.
The
So
whole
I
thing.
think you will take the average, calculate corresponding, blah, blah, blah. So what you have to do first for B, you have to find the, so you have to find the composite index first. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Means you have to find the I dash first. The I dash for 2016 first. After you find the I dash 2016, then only you use the first formula, which is the I equals to P1 over P0 times 100. And then you will get the final answer 51502.15.
1502.15.
Yes, yes. So find the I dash first, because even though okay, they want you to find the price. Okay, they say the price in 2020 is 60,000. Price 2016 nak cari, but this is for soft drink, means it's not for ABCD, means you have to use the average, and the soalan never give you also the average, means you have to find the average by yourself. How to find the average? Use the composite index formula. Darab, tambah lah. Okay, how to get the weightage here? Just take
The 100 minus 40.
yeah,
Minus
100 minus all of these because percentage ma, so total 100. Okay, what about C? Use the smiley face lah, because you see 3 years already, right? So you just muscle, you will get 163.1. But they want calculate the percentage. If they say calculate the price index, then the answer is 163.1. But if they say percentage, then you have to convert the percentage. 163.1 means increase or decrease?
Divide. Increase.
Increase. How many percent?
63.1%.
Yeah, so you have to write increase 63.1% in your final answer lah. So that's all.
Yeah.
Right, done already. Okay, we have some time left. Okay. Because just now I start very late actually. I start like 4:10. So now it's like 5:45. So I think we have time for one more question. The Kelantan set. So if you go to the Kelantan set, this is the Kelantan set. So I'll scroll down. I'll scroll. Paling bawah, because it's section C one. So question number 15. All right. Yeah, there. I found it already. So sudah buka buku?
Sudah.
Alright, let's zoom. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. So let's tengok depan dulu, kita label sama-sama dulu. Alright. So later I will stop. I'll let you do salin later. Okay. So sekarang kita buat sama-sama dulu. So let's tengok. Alright. So 15. Table 2 shows the price indices of 4 items A, B, C, D. Price indices means the I, right? For the year 2020 based on 2017. This one lah. They're talking about this. Means this is the I for 2020 over 2017. And then the percentage rise fall in the price indices of 4 items from the year 2019 to 2020. Means tak sama lah dia punya. I think they made a mistake. Yeah, I think they made a mistake here. This one should be 2017. I think. because
Oh,
if you
yeah,
see
yeah.
here it's 2019 based on 2017. So you can betulkan lah. This one is 2017, right? So what I have to label here, class? Can you teach me what I have to label here? What?
I 19 or 17.
Yeah, but it's actually not the I actually. Means you have to convert the I because can you see this is the percentage rise fall in price index. Means the plus 10% is the percentage, but the I is 110 like this. Means I
Yeah.
convert it myself. What about this one plus Q? So it'll be what?
100 plus Q.
100 plus Q. Yes, that will be the I. Here will be what? 100 minus 10, 90.
90.
Then only it will become the I. And then 100 plus 15, 115. Then only it
115.
become the I. Okay, if you don't do that, it's just a percentage. So you have to do that, so it becomes the I. Okay, let's go to A. Not yet. They still got give you information here. The price indices for item B and D for what year? 2020,
20
2019.
based
Means
on
I
the
can open a new column. Okay, let's open it here. I call it the I
I-20.
for what? 2020 based on 2019. So 20 over 19.
19.
For B and D is 125 and 130.
One,
So B is here, right? So B, I'll write 125. And then for D is 130.
130.
But for the A and C, they never give, right? So I'll just put the dash. For now, I'll just put the dash lah, okay? Because they never give, so nothing I can do about it. So A, they want to find the value of P and Q. So let's scroll up. Let's scroll up. Okay. So I will kasih kecil sikit. Boleh nampak? Boleh nampak ah? Alright. So I will do my working here. Right. So A, they want to find value of P and Q. Where is P? Where is P? Oh, here. So how to find the P here? If I want to find the P,
I-20.
means I'm finding the I for 2017.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So okay. So how to do? Let's think about it. Any idea?
You can do
Sherwin?
smiley face.
Smiley, yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. Okay. That is why, because I labeled this already, that's why I can see it fast, right? Because I want to find I 2017 means I take the I 1917, I 2019, I can do smiley face. So I will draw. So I want to find P means I want to find the 2017 means this will be what year? The first year will be what?
Uh, 2017
Yeah, because we have 2020, 2017, and 2019,
and
right?
2000.
Yeah. So it will be 2000. Wait, what happened?
I cannot see.
Okay, I can see already. Okay,
Oh, there.
2017. And then 2019. And
19,
then 2020.
20.
Okay, the P is for what? 2017. That's
P
the
is
mouth part.
17.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
mouth
more.
part. And then the 1917, I have to masuk 115, right?
Yeah.
And that one is the which eye? That's the
The
left eye.
left eye.
Yeah, the left eye. So 115. And then for the 130, the 2019 one, that's the right eye, 130. So can I find P
Yeah.
now? Yes, very easy.
Yes.
Just take 115
P equals to
130
times 130
divide.
over 100.
Ayo, why is it disappearing? Okay, 15 times 130 divide. Alright. So what's the answer?
Wait, 149.5.
Yes, thank you. Okay. Let's go. Let's find Q because the soalan asks you to find Q also, right? So how to find Q? Let's
Yeah.
see. Okay, scroll down a bit. Right. Okay, there. Okay, how to find Q? Where is Q? Q. Oh, here.
There.
Okay. If I want to find Q, means I'm finding the I for 19 over 17, right? So how to do, Sharmin?
Smiley face also.
Yeah, use smiley face also lah. So just draw a smiley face. And then same thing, it will be 2017, 2019, 2020. And for this, I will masuk this info, this one, and this one, right? So the 184 is for 2017. That's the mouth part.
2017. Mouth part.
Yeah, that's the mouth part. So I'll write 184 here because it's 2020. And then the 100 plus Q will be
The
on
17.
the
The right
left eye,
eye.
yeah.
The left eye.
Yeah. So 100 plus Q here and 125 here, right? So 100 plus Q and 125.
125.
So how to find the Q?
184 equals to 125 times 100 plus Q over 100.
Yes, times 100 plus Q over 100, right? So remember the mouth part always equals to the left eye times the right eye divide 100. And how to times this one? You have to darab masuk, right? So it become
Yeah.
12500 plus 125Q over.
Q. 100.
So it'll be like 12500
18
plus 125Q.
plus
I have
125.
pindah the 100 jadi darab. So it becomes what?
18400.
Yeah. So it'll be 125Q equals to 18400 minus.
Minus 12500.
Yeah. And then get
5900.
So final answer, what's Q?
47.2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's see if it makes sense or not. Q for betul lah. Means Q is 47.2%. That it means the I will be 147.2. The I, but they don't want the I, they want the Q. So you
Chun
that's
Hao,
the answer. Yes, any question?
I got 37.
Wait okay. Number 15.
Huh?
Why you silent dulu class? You silent dulu. Yeah, silent dulu, silent
Okay.
dulu. Right, do it now. Yeah. Later I'll check again with you. Silent sekarang, please.
Okay.
I'll check the answer.
Hey.
Okay, the schema jawapan is 47.2 and 149.5. So correct already. 149.5 and 47.2. Okay, so betul already. So just salin.
Yep.
So Kuhen, why tak dapat Kuhen?
I think I put some numbers wrong, I think.
It's okay. Okay, so just betulkan. Right, I'll wait for you. Go. The working ada dekat atas. So, but of course you don't have to write the working there lah. You don't have to write like me because you can just write in the answer space
Space.
provided. Yeah, they got provide the space for you. Done.
Yep, done.
Done. Okay, if you're done, you can try to do B by yourself.
Right.
Okay, let's continue. So for the P, I get 149.5 and means I will update it. And then for Q, I get 47.2, but I will just erase the whole thing here and write what? And I will write 147.
47.2.
No, 147.
Oh, yeah, actually.
Okay, because it's 100 plus Q.
47.
Yeah. Hey, can I ask you,
Oh, yeah.
why the I is 147.2, but I write 47.2? Because the Q is the
Plus. You
increase
need to
how many
plus
percent?
the.
Yeah, plus how many percent? That is why plus 47.2%. That's why, right? Okay, so let's zoom. Okay, let's do soalan B now, right? All right. So for soalan B, they say what? Calculate the price index, means the I lah, the I, for the year 2020 based on 2019. So this one is 2017, 1970. Oh, they're talking about this, 2019.
Yeah.
But for what? Let's read. For
item A.
item
and C.
A and item C. Okay, do you remember just now they give you item B and D punya? But for the
Yeah.
A and C, I put a dash. Why I put a dash? Because they
Dash.
never give, right?
They didn't give.
Yeah, but now suddenly they ask you to find. So how to find? So I erase. Okay, so now they ask you to find here and here. So how I want to find? Okay, first
Smiley.
of all, you can use smiley face because you have the 1917 and 160 punya, betul?
20
So yeah, so number one will be what? For item A, right? So
one.
I'll just write A, and then I'll draw a smiley face, because if you want to find 2019, you will use the 110 and the 160 to help you. So you'll write what year here?
Silver 17.
Yeah, 2017, and then
2019.
2019, and then baru 2020.
20.
And then the number I put, the 2019 will be the left eye, the right eye. Means this is the part I am finding, right?
Yep.
Ayo, I can't see it already. Okay, tak apa. Wait. Okay. All right. So how much the 2019 here, right? So the 2019
Yeah.
is the one I'm finding. So this is the one I'm finding, and this is the 2017. It means I have to have here
110.
and here, betul? Then only I can find.
Yeah.
So do I have the 2017 one? Let's scroll. 2017. Do I have
Yep.
that? Yes. How much is it?
160.
160.
60.
Because I'm finding for A, So of course I'm taking the A punya. So 160. Let's write 160. Did I write it at the
That
correct
one
place?
not in the mod. No.
Oh no, because that's the 1917. So this one is the correct one. 160. Betul
0.
ke?
Yeah.
Macam salah je. Okay, 2017. Let's check again. 2017. Yes, 160. Betul. Okay, what about the 1917? I also have 110. So 1917, 1917, 1917, 1917, 1917. Okay, 1917. Berapa? 100.
110.
Yeah. So how to find this? Sharmin, teach me.
160 equals to
Yes.
110 times item A over 100.
Don't write item A lah, right? 160
Oh.
equals to 110 times
20 or
the I of 20 over 19 over
29.
100. Like that. So the I of 20 over 19 will be what? 160 times
144.
100, and then divide this one lah. So what do you get?
145.45. Wait, let me try again.
Yeah, betul. 145.45. That's the answer.
Yes.
It means I can go to my table and tulis what? And tulis
145.45 at
145.45
A.
in this column. Okay, what about the next one? Can you do it by yourself?
C.
Yeah,
Yeah.
do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. Do it now. What's in 3? I'll wait for you. So how will you do it? You will use what?
Smiley face as well.
Smiley face again, right?
Yeah.
So many smiley face in this private paper. Like A also use
Yeah.
smiley face. B also use smiley face. So macam mana? Dapat jawapan?
Dapat.
Dapat. Okay, let's discuss. Okay, for C, so how to find? Same thing, you
Smiley.
will draw smiley face. Okay, you write 20. Excuse me. 2017, 2019, 2020. Okay, what I want is the price 2020, 2019. Means I want this part. Okay, the right eye.
The right eye.
Yes. So if I scroll down, I will write a question mark here, and then it means I need to have here and here, right? So do I have it? So let's see. For item C, we are talking about item C. So if you look at item C, actually you have, okay, you have the 120 and 90. What's 120? That's the one for 2017. So 20 based on 17, 120. So 2017, 120. Let's go back down. 2017, 120. So this is 120. And then the other one I have is 90. And the 90 is for 19 based on 17. So 19 based on 17. Let's go back down. 19 based on 17 is 90. Okay. Let's double check again and see I write correctly. Okay, betul lah. Okay, so now I can find this part. How to write? The C equals to A times B divided 100. So 120 equals to what? 90 times with I of 20 based on 19
120.
divided 100. So the I of 20 over 19 equals to 120 times 100 divided by 19. So just tekan.
Equals 90 times I-20 or
So dapat apa? 133.33. Right? Salin?
133.33.
Yes, betul betul. Salin salin. Okay. So salin sekarang. I tunggu. Right. Done everyone? Done, ah? If done, then I can move on to the final question already.
Done.
So let's go to C.
Yeah.
Okay. Using the weightage 1342. Okay, what is this?
The weightage.
Yeah, the weightage. So let's
Ratio.
go to my table. Let's go to my table. And then what I'll do is I'll just put a W here and then write 1342 because that's the weightage, right? The ratio means weightage. So using the weightage 1342 for item A, B, C, D, calculate the composite index for items 2020 based on 2017. Means they want you to find the I dash,
20
right?
based on the 17.
So they want to find the
Yeah.
I dash, but the I dash for what year? 2020 atas and then based on
20 or
2017. And
17.
can I know what's the formula? Sum of
Sum of
I W
I
over
W.
yeah
Sum of
over
W.
sum of W. It means if the I dash I'm finding is for 20 over 17, means the I use also have to be what year? 2020
20 or
based
17.
on 17 also because the year has to match one. So do I have the I for 2017? Let's scroll up. Okay, do I have? Yes. Where is it? This one. All right. Not this one. Okay. I cannot use this because the year no match. Okay. The year doesn't match. So this is the year, the one I have to use. Means I'll take 160 times 1 plus 184 times 3
One
plus 120 times 4 plus 149.5 times 2 over total weightage. All right. So let's write it down. Okay. Let's go by sikit. So 160 times 1. So let's write
1
all
plus
right. So 160 times 1 plus
184
one.
times 3.
The next one 184 times 3, right? So tulis 184 times 3 plus the next one
149.5
120
times
times 4 first.
oh,
Okay,
4.
120.
Oh yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. 120 times 4 plus the last one
149.5 times 2.
149.5 times 2.
Yep.
And then over total weightage 1 plus 3
10.
plus 4 plus 2. So you tekan this, get the answer already. So here is 10. Atas tamas. Tekan sama-sama with you. So let's tekan 160
Alright.
plus 184 times 3 plus 120 times 4 plus 149.5 times 2.
Oh,
1491.
shit.
Get 149. Alright, done. Yep. Okay, that's the answer. Right, right.
Alright, yes.
So you get the same answer?
1491, right? No.
Sorry?
1491, right? Oh yeah.
1491, yeah, and then divide 10. So you
Divide
get
by 10. Yes.
149.1.
0.1.
Yes, yes.
Alright.
So that's the answer. So set already, that's how you get 10 marks. That's how easy it is. All right. This is real life, like real SPM trial question. Okay. All right, Salim, I'll wait for you.
Done.
Done.
Manjuna.
Yes, any question? Yes,
No.
go ahead. Why you call me?
Done. I see that.
Done, okay, okay. Okay. I want to give you some homework boleh tak? Just-
Boleh.
So I want you to go back and do the okay.
Go back.
Apa
We are
go
back.
back pula? You sudah ada dekat rumah, or go back, okay? I want you to just do this question lah, okay? Okay, you perasan or not in the blue color set, the Johor and Kelantan punya index number, I do it with you already.
Yeah.
The Johor one, the Johor index number question, I did it with you in the class. The Kelantan one, I did it with you like just now only.
Oh,
And there is
yeah.
still how many left? 4 left. Betul?
4.
Yeah, because there's
Yeah.
4 set, right? Kuantan, Melaka, Negeri Sembilan, and Pahang. So that
Ah,
4
yeah.
question will be your homework, right?
Homework.
Hey, please do it because all of this is trial experiment question. So it's very important for you to repeat until you betul-betul master it. Okay. So let's go to the Kuantan set. I will go through with you. Okay. So okay, I'll just open it from my. I can just open it like here also. Wait. Okay, class. You can look at your book, but you can also look at the screen because I already opened it. Okay, can you see it, class?
Yeah.
Which question?
Eh?
Definitely not 12. Definitely not 13.
15. Question 15.
Definitely not 14. Oh, okay, it's 15.
13.
15, right?
Yeah.
So, Sharvin,
Yeah.
you found it?
Wait, I'm finding it.
Yeah, wait for you.
I just seen the screen.
Can also, but this is the Kuantan one, do you know the Kuantan, the third set,
Yeah.
Yeah, the third set, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how to do it. Table 2 shows the price indices of 3 materials PQR. So, nampak senang kan? And then, what do you think I have to label? Can you teach me? Label
The
apa sini? Hello?
18 or 16. I 18 or
18,
16.
16. Thank you. Apa label sini?
I 20 or 16.
Isn't it like sama, lebih kurang sama dengan apa yang awak buat tadi? Tadi pun ada satu soalan yang cakap pasal handbag mah. Betul? So how to do for A, find the price for material R. So they got mentioned R. So I have to be careful lah. Means I have to make sure everything I do is about R1. So it means I can use this info, I can also use this info. But they want the I, the price index means the I for 2020, 2018. So the I for 2020, 2018. So how to do? Can
18.
you help me?
Smiley face.
Yes, because I have the 1816 and the 2016. So you do it by yourself,
2016.
right? About sendiri. And then you can check your answer in the back by yourself, all right? And then B, the price of material P, 2016, 16 ringgit, 2020, 24 ringgit, 5 of X. Definitely use what formula? The first formula lah,
Oh, the
right?
the
Because
I
involve price already,
yeah.
the I formula. So how to find X? So easy. Just take 24 ringgit divide 16
Over
ringgit times
16.
100 because the X is the I for 20 over 16 and they give you the price already. So easy, right? Number 2, the
Yeah.
price of P in the year 2018 means I will use this info 130 and it will be 130 equals to P1 over P0 times 100. The P1 will be priced in 2018. The P0 will be priced in 2016. And can you see 2016, the price they give already? 16 ringgit.
Yeah.
So this is 16 and the price 2018 here lah. And then you do this, then you get the answer already. Faham? Boleh ke class?
Yes, boleh.
Yeah. Okay. See the composite index, blah blah blah. Bagi weightage, find the value of y. So composite index is 1, 2, 3. But this one is composite index for 18 based on 16. So let's see 18 based on 16. Mana? I use this lah.
That one.
So they give you weightage already. 2, 4, 3 means I will take 130 times 2 plus y times 4 plus 125 times 3 divide total weightage 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals to
9.
123. Okay, equals to 123 because the 123 is the composite index.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, D, given the price of bag in the year 2018, 145, find corresponding price. Okay, what formula? Which formula will you use? Definitely what formula?
The composite.
No.
Wait.
For D, definitely we will use the first formula lah. For D.
Yeah.
Because it's like price mah.
Price.
So it's like
Yeah.
the price of bag in 2018 is 145 and then price of 2016. So you use the first formula lah. What's the first formula?
Yeah.
I equals to P1 over P0 times 100 and then gantikan
100.
everything. P1 nak ganti apa ya?
The new year, 2018. P20.
Yes.
145.
Yes. P 2018, which is 145. Bawah nak ganti apa? P 2016. Don't have, right? Don't have, just put P 2016 lah, times 100. What's the I nak ganti? I nak ganti apa? Tolong saya, bagi tahu saya.
145. No.
Huh? 145?
No.
So you have to gantikan.
the average of the 2018 and over 2016.
So 1, 2, 3 ah.
The composite. Oh yeah, yeah.
Remember you read here. Tengok, tengok, tengok,
Yeah,
tengok. The composite index for the cost of operating back in the year 2018 based on 2016 is 1, 2, 3. So you can just put 1, 2,
Yep.
3 here and then kira this get the answer already. We cannot take
Yeah.
the 130 or 125 or any of these because this one is the I for 1816, but the soalan never mentioned PQ or R. They say price of bag means the average. And the average for 1816 is 1, 2, 3. That's why you must 1, 2, 3. Boleh ke kelas?
Yep.
So you bought dekat rumah lah, right? I mean like you already
Yep,
dekat
boleh.
rumah lah, but like you just bought lah. Right? So I think that's all lah for today class. Right? Time's up already, right?
Yep.
So please do this question and also do the Malacca punya trial. Just the index number only. You faham tak class?
Yeah.
Means you will go to Kuantan, paper 2 section C, do one question, which is the index number 1, and also go to Malacca, paper 2 section C, do the index number
Do the
and Negeri Sembilan and Pahang. It means only 4 questions. Okay, 4 questions. Because every set only comes out in paper 2 section C and it will only come out like 1 question only. So you just go back and finish the 4 questions. All right.
Alright.
So that's all lah. All right.